Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I think most of you probably remember the GoldenEye Recomp. Well, those of you who found the original video. The main issue was that people found that it used AI. And certain individuals decided to make a post on their YouTube, on their Twitter, putting down the project, saying it's crap, all of this stuff, when they didn't understand at all how recomps work. They basically put down its quality because a bunch of features were not working as they intended. When the project was originally pushed out into public so that the developer Sanjay could gather more bug reports, more information about what works, what doesn't work, and then find fixes, improve everything, and get everything done. Unfortunately, due to the constant harassment, hate, and multiple posts that got almost everything wrong about the project, eventually he just decided he wasn't going to do it anymore. In his exact words, I stopped working on it. The hate got to me. Shame, I had a lot of plans for it, but now I'm moving on. I spoke to him in DMs on Discord because I was wondering if he was okay, what was going on. And I wanted to inform about the pull request that basically fixed a ton of people's bugs that have reported in issues. He has no plans on merging them or continuing the project due to the amount of hate that he got. It's sad, and I don't know how people could be this horrible. How people could download their favorite game running natively on PC, and yes, it was native. It was using a render backend from Xenia, not emulating anything. That's the thing you have to understand. Rendering in an emulator is separate from emulation unless the graphics card itself needs to be rendered, which most of the time it does not, as most consoles used PC parts back in the day, like the Xbox 360. So it did not need to be emulated. But now we have another project. It's the same one. It got forked from Sanjay's, and it basically takes what Sanjay already did and it puts out a build, which is right here, that improves and enhances things farther. All right, closing the 007 watch now resumes the interrupted level music from its exact playback position instead of restarting it. Opening the watch inside of a control or cavern's elevator pauses and resumes the elevator music. Exiting an elevator resumes the underlying level music. Re-entering an elevator intentionally starts its elevator theme from the beginning, matching the N64's state machine behavior. All right, also included mission select, console elevator, caverns elevator, and 007 watch music repairs. Wonderful. Tank mouse aiming now works. Same with the fact that you can now navigate with the mouse and keyboard, well, with the mouse in general. Original delayed dead body fades, that works. Enhanced frigate water and horizon repair. Multiplayer menu crash repair, and matching Rex Glue, Tracy, Vulkan, and Microsoft Runtime DDLs. It's a lot to take in. Now, what I use, I built a tool that you can basically download and instantly start up by running either the start.bat or the XBL for Linux, the .run. It will install the needed dependencies, and you could target this towards your copy of this game. I cannot provide you with it, and you can extract it to any folder you want. Okay? This will be in the description below. Now, I'm on Linux. On Linux, we don't get stutters. We don't get weird issues. We don't get problems. Any of these weird performance issues that you had in the past with this recomp existed primarily... One second. Yeah, okay. Well, we're stuck like this. Existed primarily on Windows, okay? So, you can see I can navigate with the mouse and everything. And let's do a run of facility in this mode and hope to God that we get the key decoder in the right place. Oh, god damn it. I hate being stuck. Thank you. I do like when they go up the stairs. It makes life easier. Ow. Ow. Sorry about that. I'm a bit rusty. Now, if he isn't up here... then he also... might be over here. You gotta pray. Gotta hope. Son of a... Okay, he might be in here. He might be in here. Anybody? Any of you? None of you? Really? No way I got this unlucky. Hello? Hello? Nope. Alright, let me demonstrate some of the fixes. Let me head in here. Okay. I'm going to press enter. It's going to send us to the pause menu, and there you go. Right there. Exit out. Go back in. So we ended on a dun dun dun. Perfect. That's awesome. Hey, you. Should have run with the rest of everybody else. I probably think it's best if we go get this key card over here. Thank you. And let's head and go complete this level. Fortunately, this means we have to backtrack quite a bit. There we go. So, if he wasn't in here, which he's not, and he's not down here, which he's not, and there's a high possibility of him being in here, which he's not. So that means, unfortunately, I either killed him or he's in the goddamn gas room. Hey. Hey, can you decode me, please? And there you are. It's time to go. I was hoping to unlock the cheat, but again, I didn't get that lucky. You have to have him in a certain position. Or else it's just not worth it. It's probably going to be like a 3-minute or 4-minute run, which kind of sucks. Let me just grab my equipment. There we go. You. Okay. Come this way, please. Yes, yes, for England. Oh, that is just horrible. Look at that. That's not okay. No, it's not. All right, let's go test out another one of the fixes, which is in Runway. Again, the tank controls are supposed to be fixed. And we're heading towards the tank right now as quick as we can. About to be shot at. Head up here and wow. Gonna park right here. And done. I didn't have to change to a controller. By the way, that is a horrible time. Do, 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 do. I hate this. He's a very, very fast Bond. Oh, I've never had that happen before. Crazy. I'm gonna sit here and let it happen. Stormtrooper aim. Stormtrooper aim. Almost. Perfect. So if you like the fact that these fixes are a thing, that they've been implemented, that someone's continuing the work, go appreciate this guy, because he made this a lot better than it actually needs to be, and I absolutely love that. We're going to take a different direction of the plane this time. Yeah, screw you and your Stormtrooper aim. Got it. That's... I've done better, but whatever. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you did, leave a like, subscribe, do all that crazy stuff. Check the description for everything I talked about, and I'll see you guys next time. Expect another video today.